Okay, so my face is a little bit too dark, so I use the concealer, the white concealer, and I'm gonna use the blush, and I'm gonna use the one by Viva Couture, and this one is on the shade, well, it doesn't say the shade, but it's the number 06. This is a color. And we kind of want to be like loud with this makeup. I feel like we Latinas are loud with our makeup, and that's just fine. Like, I love that. So we're gonna go with this color, and we're gonna blend everything. I'm gonna use this brush for the blush. Oh my goodness. You know what, the owner was telling me a little bit goes along like a long way, but I'm just like, oh well, I kind of put a lot, but you guys will see, have patience, because with the concealer normally the blushes do, like, you can tone them down a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna go with this, and we're gonna start patting down the concealer. We're gonna be careful with the eyeshadow that we already did under. Okay, I think this video is gonna become how do you unfuck your makeup. We're definitely gonna fix this, no worries. Okay, so we're gonna grab a little bit more foundation, and we're gonna pat it down more. There we go. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna set everything, and then we're gonna put contour to fix this. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a contour, a very orangey